Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find notifications and quick settings. Here let's tap on the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the options which are connected with the battery. We've got the style and percentage. So if we've got the horizontal battery applied, we can tap on battery percentage and we've got three different options. So inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, which is much more visible, or do not show it at all. However, if we will change the battery style to, for example, the vertical option, the only option to show battery percentage is to tap on the switcher and it will be displayed next to the battery icon. So as you can see, the battery percentage strongly depends on the battery style that you will set. The same situation in the loop option, which is also available. So of course choose the battery style and the battery percentage which is the most comfortable and suitable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.